you mentioned that your market is entrepreneurs and business owners, right? So entrepreneurs and business owners, if you want, right, is that in instead of trying to sell them course, which they are not too interested about, you should sell them something that is different where they want to buy, which is a done for you solution. Now, because if you talk about the entrepreneurs and business owners, usually this market belongs to the authority market. Means that for business owners and entrepreneurs, I mean, if you want to get into the business owners and entrepreneurs, right? You see, I've taught before about different way of branding, your persona and so on. So there's this slumdog millionaire persona where you are a newbie and you have achieved success, and then you tell all the newbies, hey, I've achieved that, so I can hold your hand and show you the way, right? That would be the newbies market. But if you want to go for the business owners and the entrepreneurs market, usually they would need the authority brand to attract them because they have already achieved success in their own business and they want to learn from someone who have strong authority. You see where I'm coming from? So if you want to get into that niche market, or to serve that market, and you are new to the game in terms of your credibility and your testimonials and so on, not in your knowledge, don't get me wrong, you may be very, very knowledgeable. All I'm covering right now is the marketing aspect, so I don't want you to misunderstand me when I'm saying all of this. All right, okay. So in terms of your branding, right, you may not get them to buy your course in that sense because then you'll be competing with many other authorities in the market that teach about Facebook. But if you position yourself differently and you go inside and you provide a done for you solutions, then they may be interested. So what is a done for you solution? So let's pull up your module here. Okay, so as you can see, we have the module here, target group to serve. So if I'm working with business owners, here's what I do for you. I will help you to decide which market you should serve. Like how to create your audience, I'll do it for you. About the solution, okay? And lead generation, I will basically create a campaign to lead generate for your business. And how to monitor, I just jump to module 5 so that you get the idea what I'm trying to explain here. So I will share with you how to monitor, but at the same time I will actually monitor the campaign for you. So when you do it this way, the business owners and the entrepreneurs, they will still buy from you because they could not get an authority to do that for them at an affordable price rate. Make sense? And it's okay for you to go in at an affordable price rate simply because you're building up your portfolio. You're building up your credential, testimonials, and everything else. So once you build all of those, you will see that getting authority to join you or to buy your course and so on, it will be so much more simpler to that degree.